Welcome back. Last time we did 10 everyday conversation.
Today we have got 10 more. Let's get into it.
Hey, it's me.
Oh hey, what's up?
Nothing much. Just wanted to check if we are still on tonight.
Yeah, totally. What time were you thinking?
Maybe around 8.
Works for me. See you then.
Cool, see ya.
So, what seems to be the problem today?
I have had this headache for like 3 days now.
Okay. So, any fever or anything else going on?
A little bit of sore throat too actually.
Alright, let's take a look. Probably just a cold, but I'll check.
Thanks doctor. Hi, I like to book a room for this weekend.
Sure, how many nights are you staying?
2 nights just for one person.
Okay, we have got a single room available. Want breakfast included?
Yeah, that will be great.
Perfect, I'll get that booked for you.
So basically what happened was the whole thing kind of fell through last minute.
Wait, sorry, can you say that again? I missed that.
Oh sure, I said the plan fell through at the last minute.
Ah, okay, I got it. That's annoying.
Yeah, tell me about it. Hey, do you have a charger I could borrow?
Yeah, sure. One sec.
Yeah, actually mine just stopped working out of nowhere.
Oh no, that's annoying. Just bring it back whenever.
Will do, thanks again. I really like your jacket by the way.
Oh, thank you. I just got it actually.
It suits you so well.
Oh, that's so sweet of you to say.
I mean it. I'm so sorry I am late. Traffic was so insane.
It's okay, don't worry about it. I just got here too.
Still sorry to keep you waiting.
Honestly, it's fine. Let's just order.
So, how was your weekend?
Pretty chill actually. I just stayed home and relaxed.
Nice, sound peaceful.
Yeah, needed it. What about you?
Went out with some friends, it was fun. Hi, I like to return it, it doesn't fit.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yeah, here it is.
Great. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'll just take the refund.
Sure, that will be processed right away.
Thanks. Alright, I should probably get going.
Yeah, same. Talk soon.
Definitely. Take care.
You too. Bye.
That's another 10 down.
20 real conversations now between both parts.
Practice them out loud with a friend if you can.
Like this video and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Every day,
In every way,
we are getting better and better.
we are getting better and better.